If you're in the market for a rugged, powerful, and versatile portable speaker built for demanding environments like worksites, garages, or outdoor settings, the Bluetooth Wireless 80W Peak loudspeaker is one of the top-tier choices you should consider. Designed with durability and performance in mind, this speaker packs serious punch in terms of both audio power and build quality. With 80 watts of peak output, it delivers room-filling volume and rich bass response that cuts through the noise of tools, engines, or open outdoor spaces. Whether you're on a construction site or hosting a backyard gathering, this speaker ensures your music stays bold and clear. The speaker's bass enhancement technology helps produce low-end thump that brings music to life, whether it's hip-hop, rock, or even talk radio. This isn't just about loudness, it's also built to last. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, it's resistant to heavy splashes and dust, making it perfectly suited for the unpredictability of outdoor or workshop use. Rain, dust, or an accidental water spray won't ruin your audio experience. And despite its robust build, it remains highly portable, with a sturdy handle that makes it easy to carry from the job site to the garage or even to the beach. The design balances ruggedness with functionality, giving it a tough outer shell that can take hits, falls, and rough conditions. One of its standout features is the 20-hour playtime, thanks to a large built-in rechargeable battery that supports extended use without frequent recharging. Whether you're working a full shift on a remote site or enjoying a long weekend campout, this speaker is designed to keep playing all day. It also supports fast USB charging, so even when you're low on juice, you'll be back up and running in no time. The speaker includes true wireless stereo (TWS) technology, allowing you to pair two units wirelessly for a fuller, more immersive stereo sound experience. This is especially useful for wide open spaces or larger work areas, where spreading out the sound can make a huge difference. In addition to Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity for wireless streaming, it typically includes auxiliary input and even USB or SD card support, depending on the model, giving you multiple ways to play your favorite audio. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures quick pairing and stable connectivity up to 100 feet away, so you can leave your phone or device safely tucked away while the music plays without interruption. The connection remains strong through walls or across job site distances, and the latency is low, which is great for video playback or real-time audio. Many users also appreciate the built-in microphone, allowing the speaker to double as a hands-free calling device, ideal when you're in the middle of a task but need to take a call. Controls are large, tactile, and easy to operate even with gloves on, and some versions feature LED indicators for battery level and connectivity status.